Shalom, shalom, mishpacha. Today we're going to teach you how to don the seats. And for the demonstration, we're going to use my lovely second born right here. Look in the camera. Look, come here. Look in the camera. This is my second born. This is Melech Yoel, Angel Joel. Okay, let's go. Baruch atah Yahweh Eloheinu melech haolam asher kidishanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu hamitzvat seats b'shem Yeshua HaMoshiach. Toda rabba Yahweh. Amen. And you see how you kiss the seats, and now we put it on. And that is how you don seats.
Seats.
Amen.
Amen.